Hello, everybody. This is Miss Aline, and today we're going to be practicing our pronunciation. Welcome to this class, and let's start. In today's lesson, we're going to be reviewing how to pronounce correctly the regular verbs. So please be very attentive to the class. Welcome to all my students. Welcome to the class, and thanks for being here. This is our presentation. Regular verbs, correct pronunciation. Before we start with the regular verbs, I just want you to remember this, the phonetical chart. This phonetical chart with all these strange symbols are the symbols that represents the sounds when we are speaking English and some other languages. And for example, this first set of symbols represents the sounds of the vowels. This one here, when you see the symbol, weird symbol with 2 points, that means that the sound is long. In this case, is the sound of the vowel A. And when you see this symbol in a word, it sounds ah. It's a long sound, ah. For example, the word heart or jar. Even though the letter A is A, the sound is long. When we see this symbol, the sound is It's like the letter E, but it's not like E. It's and it's long, like in the word girl or heart. That is the sound. It's like something like that. It's a long We are reviewing the symbols with 2 points when the sound is a little bit longer. This is the corresponding for the letter I, but the sound is E. E, it's long. For example, in the word green, tree, long E. And this is the equivalent for the word O. It's a long O. It's very much similar to the Spanish O. For example, the word door or walk, door, the door that you open. And finally, we have the word the sound oo, like in Spanish, oo, but it's a long sound. Like we use it with the word food or you. And each symbol represents a different sound when we are speaking the language English. So this is very important for us to know so we can pronounce the words correctly. In today's class, as I said before, we're going to be practicing but the correct pronunciation of the regular verbs. If you notice, regular verbs are this. We have 3 examples here. Liked, played, and needed. What do these 3 verbs have in common? If you want to participate, you can just open your microphone or you can raise your hand. What do you see? What these 3 words have in common? What is exactly the same in these 3 words? Can you notice? Andy? Can you open your microphone, please?
All of them finish with E and D.
Exactly. All of them have the same ending, ED. Liked, ED at the end. Played, ED at the end. Needed, ED at the end. But if you notice, they don't sound the same. This sounds liked. This one sounds played. And this one sounds needed. We don't have any specific rule about when it's going to sound like this, or like this. Only if you see the word written with the symbols that we saw before. Sometimes when you look for these words on the internet, you can find the word and beneath or below, you can find the symbols. And when you see the symbols, you know which sound is the one that corresponds. But today we're going only to be practicing the sound, the pronunciation. So please open, everybody, your microphones, because I'm going to say the verb, but I want you to repeat the sound. This is pronunciation, so there is no other way but you to practice. So don't be shy, open your microphone. And this is the first one, liked, liked. At the end, it sounds like a T, but the T not like the Spanish T that we put the tongue in the middle of our teeth, not like, but it's T. The tongue goes behind your teeth. T, T, liked. Can you repeat it, please?
Liked.
Good. Liked. One more time.
Liked.
Very good. Then we have played. Played, it ends with the D sound. Again, the D is not as strong as in Spanish, not V, it's D. Also almost in the middle of your teeth, but not too strong. Played. Can you say it?
Played.
Played. Very good. And finally, we have this kind of verbs that in this case, the sound is complete. It sounds the E and the D. Needed. Needed. Can you repeat it? Needed.
Needed.
Very good. Needed. Needed. Excellent. Well done, girls.
Needed.
Very good. If you notice, we have different words like liked that end with a T sound, learned with a D sound, or wanted with a ED sound. Wanted. Liked, the T, learned, the D, and wanted, ED. But nothing like you to practice. So let's practice. This is what we're going to do. Here we have the different sounds of the verb, the regular verbs. Some verbs, irregular, at the end sound like T. Remember, like liked, liked. Others sounds like D, played, played. But others have this sound ed, like wanted, wanted. So here you have the verbs. I'm going to be asking you to read the verbs and tell me which color is the one that corresponds according to their pronunciation. Okay? Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, perfect. So let's start with the first one. Andrea, liked. Which color corresponds to this verb according to the pronunciation? Can you say the verb and tell me the color, please? Andrea?
Red.
Okay, but can you say the word too?
Red. Light.
Light. And the color is red. Excellent. Well done. Can you highlight it with the red color, please? And now, Andy, the second word, play. Can you say it and tell me which color corresponds, please? Andy?
Yellow.
Can you say the word too? Pronounce the word.
Played.
Exactly. That's
Played.
the correct pronunciation. Played. Can you circle or highlight it with the yellow color? Well done. And Elisa, the last one, please. Can you say the word and tell me which color corresponds?
Yes.
Good. It's blue color. And can you say the word, please? Wanted.
Want.
With
Wanted.
ED at the end. What again? Wanted. 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 Good.
Wanted.
Very good. Excellent. Now, Andrea, can you continue with the word below? Hated. Can you say it? Hated. And which color corresponds, Andrea, according to the pronunciation?
Blue.
Blue. Excellent. Can you circle it, please? Andy, watched. Can you say the word and tell me the color that corresponds, please?
Watched. Watched. Red.
Good. Watched with a T at the end. Excellent. Well done. Ellie, tried. Can you say it and tell me the color, please? And
Yellow.
Ellie, this one. Looked with a T at the end. Can you say it and tell me the color?
Red. Looked.
Excellent. That is the pronunciation. Looked with a T at the end. Good. Even though all these verbs end in the same with ed, now you know that they have different pronunciations. And according to the verb is the pronouns that you have to do. Excellent, girls. Good job. Well done, everybody. Okay, so come back next time so we can continue practicing, bro. Thank you. I'll see you next class. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.